Hello students, welcome back to the class on business and society. My name is Rishi Chakravarti. I am assistant professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In this particular lecture, I shall provide you an in-depth understanding about sociology and what is meant by society and how society has impact on human civilization. Sociology is the study of human relationships and institutions. Sociology's subject matter is diverse, ranging from crime to religion, from family to state, from the divisions of race and social class to the shared beliefs of a common culture, and from social stability to radical change in the whole societies. Unifying the study of these diverse subjects of study is sociology's prime purpose of understanding how human action and consciousness both shape and are shaped by the surrounding culture and social structures. Sociology is the study of the society that we live in. It analyzes the various kinds of behavior under various patterns and under sociological influences. How do the findings of sociology help us in our day-to-day lives? It helps us to a great deal because when we know what sociological factors are affecting us in a negative way, then we can minimize the damage by adapting to an alternative lifestyle. All humans in the current day world live under extremely pressurizing circumstances. So, sociology studies the social rules and the role that humans play in these rules. It also studies why human beings bind by these rules. Also, how human social life impact their behaviors in general is studied by sociology. In fact, whether we realize it or not, most of the problems that are caused in the society are caused by human beings. However, somewhere society has played an important role and distinguishing role to have caused us psychological behaviors in the people. Sociology sheds light on how people should behave in a responsible way with others in a society. All of us are human beings and are sensitive creatures because we all express and have our emotions. These emotions can play a havoc when human psyche if misused or misunderstood. One has to understand the repercussions of it in a social environment and act responsibility. This brings us to the conclusion that society has to function responsibly, keeping in mind the repercussions of social behavior. When it comes to serving the society, a company's first task is to ensure that its core business is fundamentally value creating, not just for shareholders but also for customers, employees, suppliers, communities, and the environment. The obligations to society have been defined in different ways at different points of time. For example, retailers including Walmart, Samsung, Walton, focus has been the first and foremost in serving the customer. So there are some social obligations that organizations has to perform, we human beings has to perform as we live in a society. It is our responsibility to make the society a better place to live and keep our surroundings good enough so that we can survive and we can express our emotions in a better way in this particular society. Thank you very much.